transitions like first, next, moreover, finally to connect your ideas. The passage describes how pinyon pie trees and pinyon trees have co-evolved, showing mutual benefits despite the risk of seed predation. First, pinyon pies display specialized traits that makes it appealing to jays. Their cones and seeds are designed to be visible, nutritious, and easy for birds to handle, encouraging efficient seed collection. Second, the trees rely on a mass strategy, producing huge synchronized seed crafts at intervals. By flooding the environment with seeds at once, pies conserve energy and reduce the chance that predators can consume all of them. Third, trees contribute by bearing excess seeds and adjusting reproduction to match seed abundance. Even though they breed more in mass years, the population never grows enough to use up the crop, so many unretrieved seeds survive and sprout. In sum, what may look like wasteful seed loss is actually a co-evolutionary success, since both trees and birds gain reproductive advantages.